You hard working over there and you got some stinky boots that are wet? Well, let's take a look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Sothing Hot Air Shoes Dryer. Whether you're playing sports or working hard, or you just got some wet boots or wet shoes or cleats, this could be perfect for you. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. You're watching Good Tech Cheap. Today we're looking at the Sothing Hot Air Shoes Dryer. Wow. Packaging on this looks very, very nice. Ozone sterilization. Very, very cool. All the information you really need right there. We got this little QR code for the warranty extension. That's awesome. But let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this hot air shoes dryer guide right here. This is just the instruction manual just to teach you how to get the absolute most out of their product. And as you see, the product itself. Look at this thing. This is just so awesome. This right here can be adjusted and turned. You can kind of push this up, you can pull it down and stretch it. Very, very nice. It gives you options there, so it can fit tons of different boots. We've got this little screen here as well, so super, super cool. Giving you all that information that you need. Very, very nice. I love this little travel handle right here. And we got our plug. So let's go ahead and get it set up and try it out. This is the Sothing Boot Dryer. Fast dual air drying. This powerful boot dryer uses dual air ducts to quickly remove moisture from shoes, boots, and gloves, reducing drying time compared to traditional shoe dryers. With a smart LED touch panel, it gives intuitive controls that make this shoe dryer easy to operate, so you can adjust heat levels, set timers, and activate the ozone mode with one tap. 3 heat levels, 113 degrees to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. You can get a gentle warmth for sneakers, strong heat for work boots, and versatile as both as a shoe dryer for sneakers and a boot dryer for work boots. 1 to 9 hour timer with auto shut off. You can choose the exact drying time you need, whether for a quick refresh or thorough drying. Perfect for portable boot dryer users. And with the ozone freshness mode, it helps neutralize sweat odors from shoes, gloves, or cleats, making it ideal as a cleat dryer, boxing glove dryer, or glove dryer. This dryer releases a small amount of ozone at a safe and odorless level, but please use in a well-ventilated area. With an extendable 1.8-inch hose, the flexible design adapts to all footwear and gear, turning one device into a multi-use shoe warmer, boot warmer, and shoes dryer. 95 watts of rapid drying power, high-efficiency motor makes this shoes dryer effective even for heavy-duty boots or sports gear. And it's portable and easy to store, so the compact design folds away neatly, turning it into the ultimate portable boot dryer for home, gym, or travel. It's for active lifestyle, so whether you're a runner, gym enthusiast, or outdoor worker, this shoe dryer and boot warmer keeps your footwear fresh, dry, and ready for daily performance. Gotta say, this thing is fantastic. I see so many great benefits from using this, and wow, Sothing, great job. This is our first time working with Sothing, and this thing is just so great. I'm sure a lot of you guys have just taken your shoes or boots, put them in a little pillowcase and tossed them in the dryer and prayed. But now you don't have to worry about that anymore. Also, this thing makes them smell better. It's awesome. So we want to give a huge shout out to Sothing for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.